Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn 2480. I'm here with a just quick tutorial. I put some UV gel on my natural short nails, and I just want to show you all how I did it. They look really nice, and this is the type of gel that you will have to file off. But my nails are still constantly breaking, so I mean, this doesn't bother me to keep it on maybe for 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a month, to see if it'll help them grow up. And if I want to do like some color designs, I could with nail stamping, and I may show you all how to do that. But they look so nice. I did them myself, and I used this gel right here in the color pink and also in white. I'm pretty sure you can find this on their website. I will talk about this more later, like where I got it and everything at a later date, so stay tuned. But I'm just gonna do like maybe one nail on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and because I already did my right hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on my left hand, and I may come back when I get to either the thumb or this pointer finger to show you how I did it. So stay tuned. And I am using a UV light also, and a gel brush that I purchased from Sally's. Okay, so I did the pinky, the ring, and my middle finger. So I'm going to show you using the white what I do. I just got a little gel on my brush. And since I really don't have a free edge here, it's a nub, but just kind of push it down. Just apply it like you would apply like nail polish if you were doing a French tip. And I have a little dapping dish with acetone in it, and I wipe my brush off on my napkin, and then I put it inside of the damping dish, and then I take my brush, like I was saying, I just take the brush and kind of clean it up as best as I can. And there you have it. And I'm gonna clean up around the nails. I just kind of dip this precision tip in some acetone. I clean up around it before I cure it, and then I'm gonna do my thumb, and then I'll come back when I start on the pink gel. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I'm about to put the pink gel on top. Like I said, you just put it on like you're putting on fingernail polish. Okay, so now I'm going to use the finishing wipe. I use a lint-free wipe to clean the tacky layer off of your nails. And here is the finished result. I'm going to put some cuticle oil around it. Massage it in real good. And voila! This is the finished results of my nails. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more nail videos. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care.